Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2020 Freightliner Coronado factory-built glider kit. So this is going to be probably one of the last factory-built glider kits that you'll see. It's got 3406, 550 cat, 18 speed, 315,000 total miles. I've gotten hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, interior. Everything that you'd want to see, just as if you were standing here yourself. Let's go ahead and get started. Excellent steers. A highly sought after 2WS, virtually no blow by on it. Southern truck, so there's no rust. With the arc cattle guard. Certainly put together by Thompson. It is equipped with the Hydro Pack Thermoflow 2-line kit. Brand new, just installed. Air slide fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. This one does come with disc brakes as well. Does have a tri-pack Evolution APU on top of everything. Extremely clean on the inside. Seats are in fantastic shape. .315 on the clock. Temps up there. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up just like it should. Love a cat's responsiveness. Don't know that they'll ever build anything quite like it. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any other questions, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.